I chose to take the biology of advanced agriculture because I think agriculture is very fascinating. It's a cornerstone of civilization. I think it's important to understand where we get our food from.
Well, before I took this class, right, I never even thought about like what happens, like how this food gets there. But when I walk through a grocery store now, you sort of get an appreciation for like the effort and the science and like the biology about like where it comes from.
This greenhouse is pretty amazing. We have everything from aquaponics to hydroponics to even just like in soil. In the class, we cover all these different topics. It's very cool to come in the greenhouse and see how everything works together. Pretty amazing. You get to see what goes into growing different aspects of agriculture, different types of produce, different types of food.
I feel like in several regards, it's very different than any other class that I've taken. For example, there's no exams. You actually like have to learn and present the information to your peers. So I feel like that kind of forces you to actually learn it in order to be able to like teach it back to other people.
You know, a moment that stood out for me is coming out to the greenhouse firsthand, like seeing the plants, interacting with them, seeing the process of how they're growing, how we can harvest them the best way, getting a hands-on approach. You know, these very unorthodox compared to other classroom and learning environments, which I appreciate. It feels great, you know, to directly contribute to the growth of these plants and this fish.
So Professor Ordog, he's very passionate about this topic, and that's like something that you can see, and that sort of inspires me to also dig into this topic more and like find that passion for myself about this specific topic.
You can tell he's really passionate about agriculture and stuff like that. You bring us out to the greenhouse to get hands-on experience. He's very knowledgeable on many different industries, not just hydroponics and aquaponics. There's not a lot of people that have quite extensive knowledge on this subject, so it's really good that, you know, if you take this class, you're in good hands. He knows his stuff.
I definitely recommend to take this course because stuff like orgo and physics, like that's required stuff, but this class, this is stuff that relates to you. It's relatable. You use it in everyday life. Like food you eat, it's important to know where it comes from and what changes can be made.
This is a class for life. Everywhere you walk around, there's gonna be farms in every city, every country. There's plants growing, food being produced everywhere. And I think it's good to have a little deeper understanding of like this kind of stuff.